Welcome to ePlan
and DTP to our
FLUX Workshops. Come with us.
Bye guys! What other instruments are you using if you go to the consultation process?
Yeah, it's really nice case like to show people that it's possible.
And those are our engineers.
Picture, and then we could ask ourselves, maybe we should do some interviews with the engineers in the future. Because right now we were more brainstorming.
Writing a key scenario down means really try to find not only rational topics but emotional topics as well.
With all our talents around, we can achieve a lot. This is like...
What were the things that brought you further?
Yeah, but what does John want?
Exactly.
Yes.
But that's a very good point you point out here.
Just forgot all of the templates.
Thank you, ePlan guys, DTP guys, and see you on the boat.
Serdecznie witamy firmę DTP Poland na przystań tu w Cigacicach.
Are you afraid?
Just a little.
Yeah.
You have to steer with your butt cheeks.
We know right now that you are working together in a team like a perfect organism. So thank you very much.